Why do you like this so much?
It's a strange game. It's like it tickles.
I'm not a water.
Okay.
You gonna get the blankie?
Good night. Night night.
Oh,
Whoa!
pillows.
In your mouth. Your mouth's open?
Oh, you want me to do it again?
Again, what?
You're making soup?
Oh, bless you.
Samsky. What do you say to Sammy?
Didn't do her voice.
He got you good.
This is the silliest game we've ever played.
He's so happy.
Here, let's put some
I love
blankets
it
on.
whenever he does exert himself. He...
Night night. So he said,
Yeah, exactly.
that's a big
No,
pillow.
we can't see him.
Other pillows.
Do you like pillows, Connor? That's one thing we need for his crib. He wants a pillow. And I wanted to get like a little, I don't know where they sell little pillows. Like a little
Should I give
baby
one of my
pillow.
air
Travel
ones?
pillows.
A little travel.
No.
Those pillows are awesome. What are you talking about?
Let me see him up this.
Oh, did you get splashed?
You're gonna break his
That was
teeth.
mean. Mama.
Ah. Oh, it does kind of feel fun. It does. Yeah, I kind of like it.
It's
See,
onto
Connor?
something.
It's warm.
You talk Gaga